areas which have been historically neglected and mainstream them in development. And then when devolution came, we came up with a revenue share which tended to favor these regions which were backwards. There is also equalization fund which is provided for in that structure. Now, we had big plans as Azimio for this region, which we would have started implementing. Now, I know that Mr. Ruto was here yesterday, and as is his nature now, practice, he made all those empty promises of what they intend to do for this region. But I know that there's a big disconnect between the rhetoric and the reality as such. So what I wanted to do here today is basically to tell these people that they need to unite together with the people of Kenya. This region has voted for me and for ODM and Azimio overwhelmingly in the last general elections. We have 3 members of parliament from this region. We have some members of county assembly. The governor himself is from ODM. Even the previous governor, Mr. Nanok, was also from ODM. And I enjoy a lot of support. I don't need anybody's invitation to come to Turkana. Turkana is part of Kenya. I lead a political party, which is Kenyan political party, and a coalition. So I don't need anybody's invitation to come here. And when I come and the people want me to talk, actually, it is the height of stupidity to refuse me even an opportunity to greet the people. The governor, of course, was feigning that he was not aware, because he is very aware. And I know that he gave assurances to Mr. Ruto that he will not allow us to speak here today. That is the height of political intolerance and hypocrisy. But we are not deterred as Azimio. And I want to actually assure our supporters in Turkana, we will be coming back. We'll come back for a political rally. Yes. And to talk to them more seriously about what needs to be done. These people suffer the same thing that the rest of the country is suffering from. The cost of living, they've been told, is very high for the people here. Most of them cannot make ends meet in an arid region like this one here.